Okay, if you're having trouble connecting your Gotcha device to the Pokemon Go app, just follow these directions and hopefully it'll be a useful algorithm to connect it. So if you've connected it successfully in the past, like the last time you were logged on, it's important to know that you don't have to go through the Gotcha app any longer because it should be a connected Bluetooth device in the history. And so just open up your Pokemon Go. And of course, you will have already enabled the Pokemon Go Plus in the settings. You can do that. So in the settings, it's down here, and there's an option for Pokeball Plus, Pokemon Go Plus, and you just have to make sure that that's enabled. So it's showing up as an available device because it connected successfully last time. And so you just tap the fade out Pokeball, press that little red circle there, and I believe it will connect. Some phones it will give you this separate pair dialog box. Okay, so yeah, we're in business, we're catching. Okay, I'm gonna give you the standard way to fix this if it's not connecting. So go into your settings, go to your apps, and then app info, go down to Gotcha, storage, to clear data, and that clears it all. That clears the cache as well. Okay, and then restart the phone. So what we've done, we've cleared the data, and then we've restarted our phone. And so now we're gonna go in here and give it the permission to once because we cleared the data. Press the red button, the pair button. So if it did not connect there, plug this into a computer as if it's charging and go ahead and run this. And while it's plugged into a computer, press the button. And usually it will fail, but then you go back and do all the other steps and sometimes it starts working again. Okay, the other big thing is to keep the connection. What you're going to want to do when you go to your home screen, you're messing with something else because you're automatically catching Pokemon, you're multitasking, and it's awesome. Instead of clicking the icon, go to your recent screens and hit Pokemon Go, and that way it keeps the app from resetting as often. Okay, and so that's my updated video on how to connect the Gotcha Ranger, or any Gotcha. So I'm going to put a link up here on how to quick catch Pokemon, and so that's super interesting if you want to watch that.